18 left homeless after fire guts home structure in Trelawney. 71-year-old man stabbed to death, waiter arrested. 2 men gunned down in St. James, victim found in vehicle with goat. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 18 persons were left homeless after a fire gutted a concrete structure in which they lived on Newton Street, Falmouth, Trelawney on Wednesday. Shortly before 6:30 a.m., one unit from the Iron Shore Fire Station in St. James responded to the call and put out the fire. The building was comprehensively damaged before the unit arrived. The unit at the Falmouth Fire Station was said to have broken down. The family members lost most of their belongings in the blaze. It is not clear if the truck has since been repaired. A 24-year-old waiter of Percy District in St. Anne was charged with murder following the stabbing death of an elderly shopkeeper in Watown in the parish on Sunday, July 2nd. David Morris, otherwise called Patrick Gray, was charged for the murder of 71-year-old Ibert Sims, otherwise called Tall Man of Watown. Reports from the Brownstown police are that about 12:55 a.m., Sims was inside his shop when Morris entered and used a ratchet knife to inflict stab wounds to his neck. The police were alerted, and upon their arrival, Sims was seen lying face down in a pool of blood. He was transported to the hospital, where he was pronounced dead. An investigation was launched, and Morris was apprehended during a police operation. He was charged on Tuesday, July 4th, after confessing to the crime in a caution statement during an answer and question session. His court date is being finalized. 2 men were found shot to death at Corner Road in Content, Adelphi, St. James on Thursday morning. It is reported that around 4 a.m., residents heard loud explosions sounding like gunshots in the community. Around 6 a.m., they stumbled upon the bodies of 2 men and called the police. A goat was found between the seats in the back of the Noah. More details will come following further investigations.